My name is Bill Singer. I'm with Kenwood Management, and I want to spend some time today talking with you about the different things we do to try to create value in our investment properties. The three probably most common revolve around the marketability of the property, the deferred maintenance with the property, and the type of tenants that are at the property. And let's explore each of those in a little bit more detail. So when it comes to the marketability of the property, we want to really understand the way that property has been marketed to prospective tenants, and is that appropriate for the type of tenants that are in that market. So a good example of that would be if there's a large block of space that's available, say 10,000 square feet, but if the average size tenant for that market is 1,000 to 2,000 square feet, then it's most appropriate to market for that smaller tenant and realize that you're going to have to subdivide that space. So now let's talk about deferred maintenance. When we look at a property that we are about to invest in, we really spend an exhaustive amount of time understanding how that property's been maintained, how old the equipment is, and when do we think we're going to need to replace it. All that becomes a critical component in understanding how the returns are going to look for our investors and how we deliver on the promises that we make. The third component that we look at is the composition of the tenant base in that particular property. We want to understand, are the tenants large national companies? Are they mid-market businesses? Those are the type that we actually prefer. And the importance of that is that having a well-diversified portfolio really enhances the returns for our investors, and it significantly reduces the risk. Much like a mutual fund that invests in numerous businesses across a variety of different industries, we look at each particular property almost as if it's a mutual fund and try to execute our plan in that fashion. There's a whole glossary of other terms on our website at www.kenwoodmgt.com. Please check it out. Thanks for watching.